So here is the question: sort colors. So it is given that only three elements are present: 0, 1 and 2, and mixed array is given. So what we have to do, we have to sort them in this order: 0, then 1, then and 2. Okay, so if there is a one approach that we will create three variables: red, blue, and these are the frequencies basically, and then we iterate over this array, and if there is 2, then we will, or as red is for 0, white is for 1, and blue is for 2. So what we'll do, if any of for example 2 occurs, we will increase the frequency of red, then we will do this in the whole array, and after that we will apply these for loops for overriding the value of this arrays with the help of frequency. So there is one more, this is the simple solution. So there is one more better algorithm which is made for like these elements only, like mainly for these 3 elements only. That is dust national flag algorithm. Let us remove all this. Yep. So what it tells,
It's 6 o'clock.
like for example this is and then inside it's unsorted, and then it's 2. Yep. And it is, and one more, that 0 are stored in 0 to low -1 index, and 1 are stored in low to mid -1 index, and 2 is stored in high to n-1 index. So this this is L means low index, and here will be low -1 index at 0, because zeros are present from 0th position to low -1 position. This is dot is low -1 position, and after that this is this dot, we can say is m-1 position. This is m-1 position, and after that, for example, here is 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, 2. This is mid position, and this will be high position, and this will be h+1 position. Let me apply a dot. Yep. So this dot means L-1, this is low, this is mid, this is mid -1, this is high, this is high -1. High +1. Yes. And which is unsorted, and unsorted will come from mid to high. Yes. So what they say, we apply a for loop, and there will be 3 cases. What we do, as we apply mid, we will find array of mid. We will say this element is array of mid. So there are 3 cases. If nums of mid to equals to 0 or 1 or 2. So let's first talk about yep. So let us assume this mid is 0. So what we'll do, as its mid is 0, so we want to shift that mid here, and currently low is here at 1. So what we'll do, we will swap this. Means it will become 1 and it will become 0. Now you will be wondering that L should be here, shifted here. So what we'll do, shift L here, and this mid, and this one is here, so we should shift this to here, and we should also shift our mid. Let me correct one thing, as originally it was this. Let us write this. Yes, now it's correct. And yes, now it's correct. Now yeah, what we'll do, we will, as mid is here, if mid is 0, let us write this also. What should we do? We should exchange it with the L. So it will become 1, it will become 0. Now this should shift here. What we have did, we have made low, we have swapped with low and mid, and we did low plus plus, but we have now it's 1, so 1 should be in the which territory, mid minus 1, so we should shift this also, and it will become here. Yep. So what we have did, we have mid plus plus also. So now if it's 1, for example it's 1, assume in second case, what we'll do, we will do nothing, we will just shift this square braces to here. Yep. So basically we have increased the mid, but we did nothing, just only increase the mid. Now in the second case it's 2, what we will do, we will shift it here. Let us assume it's 1. Yeah. So it's 2, what we'll do, we will shift it with the high one, swap it with the high. So swapped with mid and high, and what will we do after swapping, this will become 1 and this will become 2, and we will do this to here. What we'll do, we have high minus minus, high minus minus, and what we'll do, mid, as we have moved, we will move this. No, mid will become as it is, nothing will be in the mid. So yep, write this code for, first of all we will int low equal to 0, and then high, no, mid, yes, we will start mid from 0 initially, and after that high will be starting from n minus 1. Okay, so this will be under a for loop. For yeah, now the loop, for how much we will apply the loop. I think loop should be, yes, I and I nums dot length and I plus plus and this and if and mid equal 0 means swap. We have to swap now, so swap, and I think here should be else only. So swapping, what will swap? Will swap, wait, so so what will swap here? Low and mid plus plus and mid plus plus and high minus minus. Oh shit, actually we have to create a swap function. So what we'll do, we'll just, I think, as we have to swap what mid and low now, so we'll create temp and equals, let me, and int nums of low and nums of mid equals nums low and then nums mid and high. Yes, I think now it's correct, and we don't have to return as it's void. Oh, comment. Shit. Else if. I should for nums dot length. I'm doing very much mistakes.